Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to customize the product page in your Shopify Prestige theme. So this is to make it visually appealing and conversion friendly. So here guys, we will cover how to download and install the Prestige theme, customizing product images, descriptions, and layouts, and of course, adding trust badges. So here guys, the first thing you need to do here is to go to their website. You just need to type shopify.com, and there you'll be able to see their main dashboard. So here you can see different options here. So you need to first go to the Shopify theme store guys and search for the Prestige theme and then purchase it and then download the theme. But you can also try trial guys, but if you want to publish it, you need to pay for it because it is built for premium. So as you can see here guys, this is the theme, and what you need to do here is here you can see here, if you want to publish it, you need to pay it, but on this tutorial we are just going to have a trial for this, and you need to go first is to wait. So the pro tip here guys is the Prestige is a premium theme. So here is the products, and then here guys, tap on the online store and then go to the pages, and here guys you need to access product page. So you can see here, so you just need to add another page here guys for your product page. So on your product page guys, you need to create on your own. So just like this, for example, I'm gonna title it product, and you can have description about it guys depending on you. So here you can see here guys, then add product guys, and here guys you are going to add a product here. So the first thing you need to have here is your title. So up to you guys, depending on you what the product that you are going to add. So you need to choose a layout guys. So for example, single image, carousel, or grid, and then here upload new. So you are going to upload your product guys. For example, upload it from your computer, and you can customize it by having your price, your compared price, and then your cost per item. So as you can see here guys, we are done adding our products. So what I'm going to do here is, let's go to our themes and then go back to the Prestige and start customizing it. So tap on that one, and you'll be directed to the other page, which is this one, and go for this one. So here, and then choose the products, tap on that one, and here you can see this one. So you can also tap on this left side, so you'll be able to see there the, what do you call this here guys. So here you can now start customizing your product images guys. So there guys, you need to choose a layout, a single image, carousel, or grid. And this also enables zoom and hover effects for a better shopping experience. And you can adjust image ratio and size to ensure consistency, guys. Pro tip here, guys, is use high quality images with a minimum resolution of, I think, 1500 over 1500 pixels for clean visual, guys. And on optimizing your product, guys, you need to have your product information like your clear title, detailed but concise description, so which we did a while ago. You can also use bullet points, enable the sticky add to cart button for better conversions, guys. And in adding trust, badges, and social proof, enable product reviews, guys. So you can use an app like Judge.me or The Looks, and you can add trust badges under the add to cart button, guys. So here you just need to customize depending on you, guys. And then on displaying stock level, guys, they have the indicators here, so you need to have it. And then remember, guys, that trust elements help increase conversions by making buyers feel secure. So you can also enhance your product, guys. Like, for example, you can enable related products or frequently bought together. So you can use an upsell app like Reconvert or Shopify bundles like that. You can also add a product recommendation slider at the bottom of the page. So here you can design your theme. So upselling increases average order value, guys, in boosting revenue. So here you can also adjust font sizes and spacing for better readability. You can ensure all elements are aligned properly on mobile and tablet views. And of course, guys, if you're done, you just need to save and preview the product page on desktop and the mobile, guys. So here, guys, 80% of shoppers browse on mobile. So of course, make sure, guys, to have your mobile view optimized, guys. So you'll be able to see there at the left, or I think on the top right corner, guys, beside the desktop view. And here. So that's it, guys. Now you have a fully customized product page, Shopify's Prestige theme that looks great and converts better. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Shopify tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with other Shopify customization. Happy selling on Shopify and see you in my next video. Bye!